Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and let's grab another table topic for today. The table topic for today is: have you ever regretted something that you did not say or do? Have you ever regretted something you did not say or do? When we talk about most often in life, we find ourselves in scenarios where we really want to say something or do something, but we don't do it or don't say. Uh, and it might happen because of fear. uh, Maybe fear if we you did not say something to someone, maybe due to fear, or maybe you you thought it would hurt them, or maybe you did not do something, maybe you did not pursue your passion because of for some fear, because of failure, or because of anything. And then later we find out that you should have done so, you should have said so. And when we think about these scenarios, what it does is it makes us to reflect and try to avoid those scenarios in the future. If I talk about myself, whenever I want to do something, uh, or whenever I want to say something, what I do is I have this as a one goal, that I down the line I do not want to regret something. So that has been the guiding principle for me whenever I try to do something. If I talk about while preparing for something to achieve something, so I decide that I will give it my best shot, and later in the life I would not regret that I wanted this thing, I wanted to do, but I could not give my best shot. So if I talk about my failures, I could not crack JE, but I have a zero regret about it. Zero regret. Because I done my best shot out there, and I do not have any regret that yes, I could have studied more, or maybe I could have done something. So that kind of regret I don't have. I gave my best shot. It somehow it happened, it wasn't the adequate, or whatever you would want to say it. uh, that wasn't my day on the exam. So so yeah, that has been the guiding principle. To summarize, is it so far I don't recall that I have few regrets. I could have done something, I could have said something. I often try to finish it. I often try to say whatever I want to say, because I want to move on to other things in life. So that's it. Thank you.